Hi everyone. Okay, so I have my Sew Sampler box for, what month are we in? I don't even know. March. So March's box. I got it fairly quickly too. So Sweet Springtime, March of 2026. The coupon is get 15% off Jolly Bars. That is the deal. And let's see what we got this time. Let's see. We got the Jolly Bar Pastel Prairie by My Sew Quilty Life, I think is that, oh, you know what guys, I have my glasses again. I have my glasses. My Sew Quilty Life, yes, so it's a Jolly Bar. So a Jolly Bar, if you're not aware, is Kimberly Jolly's creation, where it is a half of a layer cake. So a layer cake is 10 by 10, so this is should be 5, right? So yeah, it's half of a layer cake, so it should be a 5 by 5. But who knows? For me, who knows? I could be totally wrong. No, it's a 5 by 10. There you go. 5 by 10, yeah, because you're not doing 5 by 5, you're doing 5 by 10. There we go. So I was kind of right. Jeez. $24.98, that's the value of that one. Okay, then we got another thread, probably Aurifil, maybe. Let's look. It is going to be, yeah, 50 weight light salmon. And then we got and that is going to be valued at $6.98. Then we got this blue magnetic ruler handle. Made it Purple Hobbies ruler. So let's see. Oh wow. So it's a magnet. So you put it on a ruler. Huh. So you put it on any ruler using self-adhesive steel disc, giving you a steady, comfortable grip. Once in place, the handle helps you hold the ruler while protecting your fingers. Huh, valued at $6.98. I'll have to check that out. That's pretty cool. Okay, and then we got another Created Grids Fat Quarter Shop ruler, and this one looks like it's 6.5 by 2.5, maybe? Let's look. 2 by 6. So 2 by 6. And that is valued at $8.48. And let's see. What else did we get? So it says how to use your blue magnetic ruler handle, so it shows you what to do, but it also tells you what to do on your little cheat sheet here too. So let's see, you got the finishing for the flowering, which I think I got like 3, but it's okay because I'm going to turn those 3 that I did, those 2 or 3, into a project bag. So that's how I'm going to use mine. Oh, so you get different varieties of how to do your finishing blocks. And this was the block 12, Wildflower About You block. So this is all 12 of them. And then the quilt of this month is called Taffy. This should be $4.98. And let's see. Yeah, $9.96. So $9.96 for those patterns. And then this one should be $4.98. Is usually, no, $9.98 for this pattern. So, okay. And that is the Jolly Bar. Oh, so then you get with every Jolly Bar you get a pattern, an exclusive pattern. So I will tell you guys that I'm going to be very, very honest with you guys. The last few kits have not wowed me. And you pay a lot of money for them. Now, price is going to go up. For us as long-time subscribers, we get 2 months, I think, with the same price. But then the price is going to go up. Which, you know, whatever needs to happen, it needs to happen, right? But after receiving all this, and I think we paid like $45, $48 a month, I think I'm going to cancel. I've not been, like, wowed by anything. And so I think this is going to be my last one. unfortunately. And watch next month, they're going to have a major one. And they're going to be like, oh, I want to sign up again. But then if I cancel now and I sign up next month, if something happens, then I have to pay the new price. So, yeah, but I can't see myself spending this kind of money, especially I don't have this kind of money anymore, on things that I just can't use anymore. Yeah, I already have a ton of these, you know, rulers and stuff. So, and you know, I usually like Jelly Rolls, and so if I like the artist, which I do like her a lot, I usually already own, you know, the fabric from that person, and which means Lori Holt and My So Quilty Life, Flamingo Toes, all of them, right? So I think so, you guys. I think I'm going to cancel, unfortunately, which is too bad. But, you know, all good things must come to an end. What do you guys think? Are you guys thinking of subscribing, or do you guys find each box lacking? What is your honest opinion? I'd like to know that. What is your honest opinion? I know the people who get it for free love it. And I'm like, oh, you know, that would be nice to get a discount. But yeah, so what do you guys think? Let me know. And what was your favorite thing from this? I'll try this. This seems fun. But yeah. All right, guys. I'll see y'all later. Bye.